Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Azizah. This time I will talk about interpreting and its mood. Yuk kita bahas bersama-sama. Translation and interpreting is about transferring meaning between language. But here's the key difference. Translation work with written text while interpreting happen through spoken words in real time. Translator needs strong reading and writing skill, while interpreter rely on listening, speaking, and quick fast. So translation is quite one way, but interpreter is active, live, and sometimes two way. Four modes of interpreting. First, consecutive interpreting. In consecutive interpreting, interpreter starts speaking after the speaker finishes speaking. The speaker usually divides her or his utterance into some phases and gives time to the interpreter to translate her or his words consecutively. Second, simultaneous interpreting. In simultaneous interpreting, the interpreter speaking at the same time as the speaker delivered the speech. The simultaneous interpreting do not speak directly to the listener, but they speak into a microphone. The interpreter seat place called booth and may see the speakers through the booth window. There are no pause and interruption while the speakers deliver the speech. Therefore, the simultaneous interpreting is an exhausting job. Third, whisper interpreting. Whisper interpreting is a form of simultaneous interpreting, which is usually used for a small group meeting. The interpreter does not actually whisper to the listener, as it will be difficult to hear the whisper, unless the interpreter sits or stands near to the listener and translating the source text in a low voice. And finally, sight interpreting. A sight interpreter also read a document and then translate it aloud. This type of interpreting might occur in a various settings, for example, in a business meeting or in court. Interpreter might ask to the client to read and analyze the source text first before conveying it into the other language orally. Itu dia perbedaan dan macam-macam mode interpreting. Thanks for watching. Hope this help you understand better about the interpreting. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.